The industry shift to modern airline retailing is here, and whether you're a full-service or a low-cost carrier, we know that shift will not happen overnight. There will be a period where legacy systems operate alongside the new offer order-based systems. Sabre is taking a modular approach in the transition to offers and orders, where airlines can start unlocking value every step along the way. Ensuring consistent offer results and data integrity is vital to the success of a phased transition. Let's take a deeper look at shadow shopping, a first step towards customer activation of retail travel marketplace shopping within Sabre's new offer order platform. Shadow shopping uses the retail travel marketplace air shopping component to mimic Radix Fair Quote capabilities from the Radix PSS into the retail travel marketplace environment for the purpose of comparing consistent offer results and data integrity. Every time a live shopping search is placed to Radix Fair Quote, a near simultaneous mirror copy is run on the retail travel marketplace shopping engine. The shopping data in Retail Travel Marketplace is used to compare and monitor performance with real customer traffic. These performance metrics have enabled Sabre to close functionality gaps between Radix Fair Quote and our Retail Travel Marketplace. To date, Sabre has a nearly 99% match in shopping data and continues to improve through additional testing and development. In addition to proving consistent customer offers and data integrity, the cloud-native platform proves superior performance, scalability, and modularity of the offer management shopping engine. As airlines begin the journey towards offers and orders, have confidence that Sabre is taking every step to ensure a smooth transition, ensuring consistent offers and data integrity along the way. We've been busy laying the technology foundations of an industry-leading modern retailing solution. We're ready for what's next, and we invite you to join us on the transition journey as we redefine the airline technology landscape. Learn more about Sabre's journey to offers and orders today.